In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw fractals in Tradingview. Fractals are an essential tool in technical analysis, helping traders identify patterns in price movements that can repeat over time. By learning how to draw and use fractals, you can gain deeper insights into market behavior and improve your ability to predict potential price action. Whether you're new to Tradingview or just looking to enhance your charting skills, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the entire process. If you don't already have a Tradingview account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. To begin, open Tradingview in your web browser. Tradingview is the platform we'll be using for this tutorial, as it offers a wide range of tools and features specifically designed for charting and technical analysis. Once you have Tradingview open, log into your account. Logging in is important because it gives you access to all the features you'll need for this process, including saving your work and customizing your tools. Now, locate the product menu. Depending on your layout, this menu might appear at the top of the screen or along the left-hand side near the Tradingview logo. It can sometimes be subtle, appearing as a tab or a drop-down menu, so take a moment to find it. Once you've identified the product menu, click on it and select charting tools from the available options. This section is where you'll find everything you need to draw your fractals. Be careful not to accidentally navigate to other sections like the screener or ideas, as they won't have the tools we're looking for. Next, look for the toolbar on the left side of the chart window. This is where Tradingview organizes its drawing tools. Once you've found the toolbar, search for the Bars Pattern tool. This tool is essential for our task because it allows you to copy specific shapes and patterns from the price chart, which is exactly what we need to map out fractals. The Bars Pattern tool's icon may look like a set of bars or lines, depending on your theme. If you're unsure, hover over the icons and Tradingview will display their names. Now, if you don't see the Bars Pattern tool right away, don't worry. You may need to scroll through the toolbar since updates can sometimes shift its location. Once you have located the Bars Pattern tool, click on it to activate it. With the tool now selected, move your cursor over to the price chart. Your first task is to identify the starting point of your fractal pattern. Typically, this will be a sharp turning point or the specific candle where the pattern begins. Take your time to carefully analyze the chart and pinpoint the best place to start. When you're ready, click once to anchor the start of your fractal pattern. This tells the tool where to begin. Then drag your cursor along the slope or shape of the fractal you want to highlight. This action creates a visual overlay on the chart, allowing you to map out the fractal step by step. Be precise as you drag and make sure the angle and shape align with the pattern you're trying to illustrate. If you make a mistake, don't worry. Tradingview includes an undo option, or you can simply try again until you're satisfied. Once you've fully drawn the fractal pattern, release your cursor to complete the process. At this point, the fractal should now be clearly highlighted on your chart. Take a moment to review your work and ensure the pattern stands out from the rest of the chart. A clear and accurate representation of the fractal is crucial for analyzing market behavior and spotting potential repeat patterns in the future. And that's it. You've successfully drawn a fractal in Tradingview. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.